Alright guys, so welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic and I'm glad that you are joining me right here on this video. So I'm your crypto friend in the crypto space that's actually help you make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment over it. So right now guys, stick with me. Let me now take you guys on a little journey on how you can actually go around the down validator airdrop and be able to make money out of it. Alright, so if you missed out on grass airdrop, do not miss out on downs airdrop because they actually gonna pay you up for doing nothing, absolutely nothing. They are just gonna be paying you up for sharing your internet bandwidth with them. So this is totally free and I'll be taking you guys on a little ride on what down validator is all about and how you can actually go around it, and little insight about grass airdrop if you're participating in it, so that you can actually stay ahead of the call. So right now, pay close attention and make sure you watch the video till the end and do not skip any part of it. So right now, the first question that's actually gonna come to your mind is, what is down validator? So down validator, just like I said it already, is a new dePIN project that actually pay you up for sharing your internet connection. So it is totally easy and it's totally free, and on this video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually go around it using your simple smartphone, and that will be all. So before we go ahead and proceed with the video, please, if you do enjoy this type of content, please go below the video you are watching right now. If you are joining us for the first time on this channel, remember what I said earlier, I teach you how to make money in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So what you got to do right now is simply go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you haven't done that yet, you click on the bell icon and select all, so that each time we post any new updates about how you can actually make money in the crypto space, you will be notified immediately and automatically. So the next thing you need to do is simply give us a thumbs up. You help us share the video to your family members or anybody that actually has the same mindset or the same interest with you. Then you put a very nice interesting comment right there on the comment section telling us what you think about the video. So enough of the talking, let's now go back into the business of the day, and I will teach you all you need to do concerning downs airdrop on how you can actually get to qualify for it. So I'm going to be trying my best to make this video as short as possible right here. So coming over here, firstly on the X handle or the Twitter handle of down, you can see that this is actually a dePIN project, and you can see they say something like something new from the let me put this up, something new from the Andrina Wi-Fi team. You can see over here they say download the down validator extension at the link below. So I'll be dropping the link actually on the video description of this video, so check out the video description to actually get the link to this airdrop. And let me now take you guys on a little ride right here. You can see over here they say right here down, decentralized autonomous wireless network is a protocol. This is actually the meaning of down. Okay, you can see down actually means decentralized autonomous wireless network is a protocol for providing decentralized broadband. This will create a user powered wireless network for providing affordable home and business internet at multi-gigabyte speed, thanks to advancement in wireless technology. So this is very, very simple. Just like I said, this is a dePIN project that will actually give you an airdrop, just like grass is about to do. They will give you an airdrop just for actually sharing your internet connection. It's very, very easy. When we say sharing your internet connection, what we actually mean is just make sure you are connected to the internet. That is simple. It is. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to tap. You don't need to complete any task that is mandatory or whatsoever. As this is actually what we call Kiwi browser. So for you to be able to participate on this airdrop, you need what we call Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser. You can simply go to your Apple Store or your Play Store to download any of this browser and then proceed with the link on the comment section so that you can actually succeed. Okay, so when you click the link on the comment section, this is exactly what you're going to be taking you to. So the first thing that you need to do is very simple. So what you need to do is simply go ahead over here and click right here on add to Chrome. All right, so if you're using Chrome browser for this on a smartphone, you may not be able to access this. Like I said earlier, make sure you are using Kiwi browser or Mrs. browser. All right, so the first thing you need to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on add to Chrome. And once you click on add to Chrome like this, you will see it will load up immediately, and this is going to be verifying immediately. Then you click on OK. Now you will see that it will be added immediately without any single hesitation. All right, and right now it has been added. So once it's added, the next thing you need to do is simply go ahead to click right here on this three dots at the top. You go ahead and of course click on it like this, and once you click on it, you scroll down to the bottom right here. You will see that this is where it's actually added. Let me see if I can actually find this right here. You can see over here it is now added right here immediately. Okay, so right now we click on it so that we will open it. So this is actually accessible on mobile phone. So over here you can see they say welcome to down validator system. So what you need to do right now is simply create an account, because we're actually doing this for the first time. Remember to use the link on the comment section so that you can actually get this correctly. Okay, right now I will click on register. So this is how it is. So coming over here right now, you can see this is where you actually got to input your name, your email, your password. Then you repeat your password to confirm it. Then over here this referral code is going to be here automatically once you use the link on the comment section. What you're going to be seeing when you're using the link on the comment section may be slightly different from this. Okay, so right now you go ahead to input what is written here exactly as exactly like this it is right here, and then put it right here. So it is so simple as that. All right. And right now you can see that account successfully created right now. So I need to go to my email because they have actually sent me an email, and from there I'll be verifying my account as easy as that. And right here guys, on my email I need to simply, this is the email right here, I need to click to verify. So right now I will verify my account right now. I need to select keyword browser because that's what I'm actually using for this tutorial. All right, see right now email verified successfully. So what you need to do right now is to simply go back to the down browser where you were earlier. So actually, okay, so this is it right here. So when I click right here, and of course this is it. So right now I will click on login right now, since we have actually verified my account. So right now I need to log in right now by inputting my email and my password, and of course completing this captcha. And right now, as simple as it is, I have just successfully created my account. And once you have created your account, it is so simple and so easy right now. So what you need to do is simply make sure that your internet connection is already connected, and that is simply how you earn. You don't need to tap, you don't need to do anything. Just do this that I just showed you right now, and you are good to go immediately. So right now, how to actually boost your reward, let's now talk about it. So coming over here guys, you can see last updated September 10th, which is today that I'm making this video. So over here guys, you can see right here, this is my point that I've earned right now that I just created this account. All right, you can see that my connection quality is actually 40% right here, and over here guys, you can see you are connected. Stay connected to earn reward for contributing to the network. Just like I said, you simply need to just make sure that you are connected to the internet and you are good to go. All right, so right now let's now click on boost reward right here. So when I click on boost reward right here, you can see that this is where you actually get to get your referral code. Okay, so while you are registering on this down internet validator, so make sure you are using this code that is showing right here. I'm going to be dropping it as well on the comment section or on the Telegram channel, so that you can actually get to copy it and use it while you are actually creating an account. So coming over here, you can see they have some offers right here, which means that if you follow them on their Twitter, you are actually going to be getting about 5,000 down points. Okay, so about 5,000 down points, and when you follow them on their Discord, the same thing applies, and the same thing also applies to their Telegram. So it is so easy as this, and I believe from this video guys, you have been able to learn one or two things that are actually gonna help you make money in the crypto space actually. So when I go back right now, you can see this is simply how it is. You can see that my points just increased right now. So right now, let me now talk a little thing right here. So when I click over here on this stream dot, you can see this is their home page, this is their profile, this is where you can actually get your referral link, and if you want to log out, this is where you actually get to click to log out. But I believe there's no reason why you need to log out from this. So then let's now talk a little thing about Grass Airdrop right now. So coming over here to Grass Airdrop, which is actually at the verge of being concluded, let me now show you guys something right here. So we actually got paid, not yet, we are not yet paid from Grass Airdrop actually, but we are about to get paid actually. So over here guys, on Grass Airdrop, we actually get rewarded for just making sure that our internet connect, or that we are connected to the internet actually. So right here you can see that I got about 333 referrals right here, and actually it is showing that I referred 43 people. The reason is because out of 333 people, only 43 people were active on this. Okay, so right now you don't just need to join this, you need to be active. All right, make sure you're always connected to the internet. So the next thing is simply go over here to if you actually participated on Grass actually, so you click over here on referral system. There's actually something for you to claim right here. So over here guys, on the referral system, you can see over here bonus airport referral reward. So over here guys, you can see over here, this is where I got to claim this right now. If you haven't claimed this, make sure you claim it immediately. So coming over here right now, you need to claim right here if you actually participate on this, and right now you can see claim your referral reward. Great, you complete tier 1 ion with for straight qualified referrals. Right now you can see that they are showing zero points right here. I don't really know the reason for that. Let me just click on claim reward for whatever I get. Who knows, it could be a network malfunction or something like that. Okay, I don't really know. So right now guys, this is how simple it is, and I believe that you got a value out of it. Remember, we have a Telegram channel where we post information about crypto 247, so that you don't get to miss out on any crypto related information that you actually need to take into consideration while on your journey in this crypto space. So this is it right here. Make sure you join us using the link on the video description, and I will see you guys on more videos that are gonna be dropping concerning crypto airdrop and also concerning down airdrop. All right, so thank you, and I will see you guys on my later videos that is gonna be dropping very soon. Peace out, and of course do have a lovely day.